Let us start exercise 3.4. Question number 1 has 4 sub-mains. Those mains we have to solve by 2 methods. First one is by elimination method. The second one is substitution method. Already we have learned in the previous exercises the method of solving the pair of linear equation by the substitution method. So today we have to begin the solution by the method called elimination. That is elimination method. Okay, first one. X plus y equals to 5 and 2x minus 3y minus 3y equals to 4. In this method, what we have to do is we have to equate one of the coefficient of the any one variable, either variable of x or variable of y. So we have to make equal. See the equation 1, equation 2. I will take the coefficient of y and y as it will be multiplied to the first one, that is 3. Then coefficient of y here is 1, that should be multiplied to the second one. That means I am making equal of that coefficient of y. So 3 into x, 3x plus 3y, that is 3 5s are 15. Then 2x minus 3y equals to 4 1s are 4. See, the difference of sign is there. So what we have to do? We have to add by adding. What happens by adding? Plus 3y minus 3y gets cancelled. That is 3 plus 2, 5x equals to 15 plus 4, 19. That is x equals to 19 by 5. What is the value of x? 19 by 5. Then substitute this value in any one of the equation. Put x equals to 19 by 5 in equation 1. Okay, x plus y equals to 5. So x is 19 by 5 plus y equals to 5. Then let us transfer this one. Y equals to 5 minus 19 by 5. Okay. Y equals to LCM 5. 1 5s are 5 1s are 25 minus 19. That is y equals to 6 by 5. Y equals to 6 by 5. Therefore, the solution set for this these pair of linear equation is x equals to 19 by 5. Then y equals to 6 by 5. This problem we will have to solve by the substitution method also, because we have to solve the given problems in 2 methods, by elimination method and the substitution method. Elimination method is new method. Today itself we are going to solve this one in the elimination method. Observe the elimination method. First I will solve all the questions by elimination method. Then you have to solve all these questions by the substitution method. Okay? Write down the solution. See, now the second one. What is that? 3x plus 4y equals to 10 and 2x minus 2y equals to 2. Okay. Same procedure we have to use. 3x plus 4y equals to 10. Then 2x minus 2y 2x minus 2y equals to 2. This one is the first equation, this one is the second. Okay, let us make equal the coefficient equal. Say here is minus 2, here is 4. What we have to multiply to make 4 and 2? See, 2, 4. 2 3s are 6x plus 2 4s are 8y, 2 10s are 20. See what we did? We have equated the variable y, the coefficient of variable y. So by multiplying 2 and 4, then 4 2s are 8x minus 4 2s are 8y equals to 4 2s are 8. See, difference of sign is there, so what we have to write? By adding. By adding, what happens? Plus and minus gets cancelled. So 8 plus 6, 14x equals to 28. Then x equals to 28 divided by 14. 14 ones are 14 twos are. X equals to 2. The first solution, x equals to 2. This value of x have to be substituted in any one of the equation. Put x equals to 2 in equation 1. Okay, what is the equation 1? 3x plus 4y equals to 10. First equation, 3x plus 4y equals to 10. 3x means 3 into 2 plus 4y equals to 10. 3 2s are 6 plus 4y equals to 10. Now 4y equals to 10 minus 6. 4y equals to 4. Therefore y equals to 4 by 4. 4 ones are 4 ones. Therefore y equals to 1. Therefore the solution set for x equals to 2, then y equals to 1. For these pair of linear equation is x equals to 2, y equals to 1. Then observe the method of solution. Now see the third question. 3x minus 5y minus 4 equals to 0 and 9x equals to 2y plus 7. First we have to write down the question as it is. That is third solution. Solution for the third question. 3x minus 5y minus 4 equals to 0. Therefore 3x minus 5y equals to 4. Equation 1. Then second one, 9x equals to 2y plus 7. 9x equals to 2y plus 7. Let us modify this one. 9x minus 2y equals to 7. Equation number 2. Okay? Solving 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2. That is 3x minus 5y equals to 4. 9x minus 2y equals to 7. Then let us multiply the coefficient of y, that is first one from second by second, the second one by 5. Okay, 2 3s are 6x minus 2 5s are 10y, that is 2 4s are 8. Then 5 9s are 45x minus 5 2s are 10y equals to 7 5s are 35. See, now the equations what we obtained are of same sign. Okay, let us change the sign. That is minus plus minus. We should write here by subtracting. Okay, minus 39x plus 10y minus 10y gets cancelled. That is equals to minus 35 8 minus 8 minus 35 minus 8, that is 27 minus 27. Now same signs are there. 39x equals to 27. X equals to 27 divided by 39. Okay. 3 9s are 3 1s are 3 3s are. Therefore x equals to 9 by 13. X equals to 9 by 13. Observe the solution. Now x is equal to 9 by 13. See, to find the value of y, you can substitute this value any one of the equation. For example, let us take this one. 9x is equal to 2y plus 7. Consider 9x equals to 2y plus 7. Okay. 9 into x means 9 by 13 equals to 2y plus 7. 9 9s are 81 by 13 minus 7 is equals to 2y. So LCM of this one is 13. 13 ones are 1 13s are 81 minus 91 equals to 2y. Okay, 81 minus 91. Then 81 minus 91 minus 10 equals to 13 2s are 26y. So minus 10 divided by 26 equals to y. 2 5s are 2 13s are. Therefore, y equals to minus 5 by 13. Y equals to minus 5 by 13. Now, let us write the solution set. X equals to, how much we got? 9 by 13. And y equals to minus 5 by 13. See, this method is called elimination method of solving the pair of linear equations. What you have to do? You have to equate the coefficient of any one of either x or y. Then you have to simplify by usual method. See now the last one, fourth. X by 2 plus 2y by 3 equals to minus 1 and x minus y by 3 equals to 3. Okay, let us write it as it is. X by 2 plus 2y by 3 equals to minus 1. Okay, LCM of these two, 6. 2 3s are, 3 2s are, that is 3x plus 2 2s are 4y equals to minus 1. Now 3x plus 4y equals to 6 into minus 1, minus 6. This one is the equation 1. See, we have simplified the given fraction format of the equation. So 3x plus 4y equals to minus 6. Then second one, x minus y by 3 equals to 3. LCM of these two, 3. 1 3s are, 3 1s are. 3x minus y on the y equals to 3. So 3x minus y equals to 3 3s are 9. How we got 9? By cross multiplication. 3 3s are 9. This one is second. Okay. Now solving 1 and 2. Solving 1 and 2. 3x plus 4y minus 6. And second one, 3x minus y equals to 9. See, here the coefficients are same. Let us simplify as usual. Minus plus minus, that is plus x or minus x gets cancelled, that is 5y equals to minus 15. Therefore y equals to minus 15 divided by 5. 5 1s are, 5 3s are. Y equals to minus 3. Now put y equals to minus 3 in equation 1. Okay, 3x plus 4y equals to minus 6. 3x plus 4 into y minus 3 equals to minus 6. 3x minus 12 equals to minus 6. 3x equals to minus 6 plus 12. So 3x equals to 6, x equals to 6 by 3, 3 1 the 3 2 the, x equals to 2. X equals to 2. Okay, now solution set. X equals to 2, y equals to minus 3. See, in 3.4 we have solved 4 problems. The method called elimination method. In the question they have given solve the following by elimination method and substitution method. Substitution method already we have completed in the previous exercise. So the duty of yours is you have to solve all the 4 problems by the method of substitution. Okay, today's homework is solving all these 4 questions by the substitution method. Okay, thank you.